Hi Marites, how are you? I'm good, Gemma. How are you? There's something in my mind. What is it? Earlier, when I finished reading my book, I suddenly dropped the ball and it attracts to another ball. I think it's because of gravity. Gravity, where there's only attraction. Okay, Marites, I get it now. But I will share something. It's about electric force, where a group of positive and negative repel because of force and it will spread out in all directions. But the mixed positive and negative, those opposite charges, will be pulled together by the huge attraction. There are two kinds of matter, the positive and negative. Like kinds repel, while unlike kinds attract. In charge, like kinds which are positive and positive will move far away to each other, but the negative and positive will move closely to each other. Can you give me an example, Gemma? Example. Two balloons that is rubbed into same cloth. Now you hold it in the string for the balloons to move freely. See how they interact to one another. The two balloons have like charges because we treated the two balloons in the same way. We rub them in the same cloth so they will have the same charge, so they will repel. On the other hand, if we treat the two balloons into different ways and rub the two balloons into different materials, they will have different charge, so they will attract. Now, let's talk about Coulomb's law of electric force.
So what is a Coulomb's law? It is an experimental law that quantifies the amount of force between two stationary. It was first discovered in 1785 by Charles Augustin de Coulomb. In physics courses, Coulomb's law is often used as a type of algebraic recipe to solve physics word problems. For example,
a piece of a styrofoam has a charge of negative 0.004 coulombs and is placed 3 meters from a piece of salt with a charge of negative 0.003 coulombs. How much electrostatic force is produced? We have the formula F equals KQ1 Q2 over R squared, where K is equals to 9 times 10 raised to 9 nm squared over C squared. The given, the Q1, the Q2, and R. How can we solve this? Use the formula. Substitute to get electrostatic force. So we can get the answer, which is F is equal to 12,000 N.